Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Pack, and I'm back with another jewelry review. And today we will be checking out these 8mm studs from the Real Jewelry Company. Let's get into it.
Alright guys, this is the portion of the video where I like to tell you a little bit more about the jewelry. As you can see, it comes here in this type of box, very nice textured box with their logo on the front, the Real Jewelry Company. And when you open it, it has that magnetic clip at the top there, and you can see the King's Cut here. These are the 8mm Canary Yellow. You will not be able to get these through the link in the description, but in the link in the description you'll be able to go to their website and check out the regular King's Cut in 5mm. These right here are very, very special. As you can see, you will have to reach them directly through the Instagram or through the link in the description on their website to reach out more directly, so you can get custom orders like these, or you can just wait until they decide to drop these exclusively on their website. But I got these special for a pre-release for you guys, just so you guys can see the great quality in their work here. They are screw back. I am using pushback though because they are versatile and they're easier to take out that way for me. And as you can see, these offer a extra dimension to the round stone, not just the regular hearts and arrows, but this right here has more of a basket cut and the King's Cut here, and it gives a inner dimension to the stone. Alright guys.
And there you guys have it. That was the review on these 8mm King's Cut from TRJC, the Real Jewelry Company. Check out the link in the description, and y'all know what it is. Stay tuned.